Salesforce integration. Go to your Salesforce account and install ROI4Presenter from the App Store. Customize what app navigation items to add to personalize your navigation bar. Assign a presentation to a certain contact or group from the Contacts dashboard. Click on the Contracts tab and then on the button Assign Presentation. Assign multiple contacts at once. In the Contact tab, select the contacts and click Assign Multiple Presentations. To check listeners' latest activity by link, go to Chatter. To check list of all created links to presentations, go to Active Presentations tab. To check how specific presentations perform, go to Presentations History.